Hello out there, everybody. Again, Mark George with Keller Williams. You know, we're getting asked a lot right now as we are into the new year. Spring is right around the corner. What should I do to get my house ready for sale? Valid question. So a couple key things we want to look at here is net return. So in other words, if you're just going to trade a dollar, it doesn't make sense. If you're going to lose on the dollar that you spend in improving the home, definitely doesn't make sense. So here's a couple items here, a short list of your highest rate of return that you could do to the house. So number one is going to be the landscape. Probably a 2, 3, maybe even 5 times return on the investment for what you're going to spend to spruce up that outside, get it looking real good. Wait to install those plants until after the last freeze, of course. Number 2 is going to be the paint, both interior and exterior. A little bit more expensive probably, but a really good return, freshens the place up. Go ahead and take care of that now. Lastly is to start the declutter process. This, in most cases, is just going to cost you some time and maybe a little bit of sweat. But these are the items to mainly look at now if you're considering a sale for the highest rate of return. If you're thinking about baths or kitchens or major items like that, let's have a discussion before you consider that. In most cases, it's probably not going to make sense to do it. You're not going to get to enjoy it any, and we don't know what the buyer's taste is. As far as the 4-point items, AC, electrical, roof, if any of those are on the bubble as far as condition, again, get with us. We might consider what's called a pre-list home inspection, and we can air out any of those items that might come up when the buyer does their own inspection. So all that being said, you're considering a home, you're considering doing some things to it. Let's have a chat before getting too involved in the process. Do look forward to hearing from you on it. And again, it's Mark George with Keller Williams. Look forward to hearing from you.